Did you know that 60% of new creators stop posting within 6 months? Or that 90% of new YouTubers quit after just uploading less than 10 videos? It's a tough journey, especially when you're trying to juggle family, work, you're a busy parent, and barely finding any time to film. But here's the truth, persistence pays off, even with limited time. In this video, we'll explore how to survive and thrive as a small YouTube channel. Hey, I'm Johnny. I'm documenting my journey growing my YouTube channel so that I can help you start your channel and do the same thing, even if you're a busy parent or a busy adult, because sometimes life gets in the way, right? I'm gonna dive right in and say YouTube grows with time. And to give you an example, I'm gonna use an analogy with something that I love very much, and that's I love to play soccer. I love to talk about soccer. I love all things soccer. My family loves soccer. So let's use soccer. Think of growing your YouTube channel like you're learning to play soccer. And this can really feel frustrating because you're not seeing results fast enough. When you first start, you're kicking the ball around. Maybe you're missing the goal. You're not receiving any passes, and it feels like it's just frustrating because you're not seeing immediate results. But every practice, every drill, every game, even the small ones, builds your skill. Your footwork improves, your awareness grows, and eventually you're scoring goals consistently. YouTube works the same way. Every upload that you make, every skill that you learn, every thumbnail that you tweak, it's all practice. At first, your views might be low and your sub might be slow, but over time, your skills compound and your channel starts scoring big. Think of it like this. Uploading videos is like showing up to practice. Learning editing and storytelling is like improving your skills. Small numbers early is like missed shots, learning moments. Consistency is like keeping up with practice, even if it's slow. And when your channel starts to grow, that's like scoring lots of goals, winning championships. You're winning your games. I just started not too long ago, and I felt like I was missing every shot. I felt like nobody was passing to me. But I keep practicing and I keep learning. Even though my channel is small, I know that I'm going in the right direction because in my mind, if I just help one person, and that is you, that is what makes me happy, and that is what motivates me to keep going and score more goals. Hey, I hope you're enjoying the video, but I did want to take a moment to share with you my YouTube starter checklist that I'm going to link in the description below. It's made for busy parents and busy adults who just want to get their channel started and getting off their feet with some quick guidance to help you upload your first video. So again, I'm going to link that in the description below. Thanks, and let's get back to it. Next up, forget about views and subs and focus on your community first. Don't get stuck watching your views or your sub count. I know I did, and I'm guilty of it. That's why I'm sharing this with you. That's literally a trap. Focus on the people that are already watching you. If you get a comment, reply to them fast and thoughtfully. Build relationships, not just the numbers. That's how your community grows. Also, a quick tip, join a community yourself. It helps you grow, it helps you learn, and people also follow you from those communities. All right, wait, let me check my analytics right now. Hold on. No, don't worry about your analytics just yet. I don't want you to stress out about all those numbers and all those graphs and stuff. What I want you to do right now is just focus on the things that really matter. And that's going to be your video idea, your topic, your title, your thumbnail. Focus on those things. Those are the things that are going to help you get more views and more reach. So yeah, hold off on the analytics right now until later on. I can tell you that looking at your analytics becomes stressful because it's so low right now. There's not a lot of growth. Get your mind away from that and don't put yourself down. Focus on those things that are going to make sense to help you grow your channel now. Oh, and let's talk about consistency, because I know this term gets thrown around a lot. And yeah, being consistent is important, but let's just talk a little bit about what that means. As a busy parent, what matters most is finding a rhythm you can actually keep up with. Just keep showing up. It doesn't have to be on a specific day every week. Consistency is what you can deliver at your own pace. I am not saying post every 3 months. I'm saying post at a rhythm that makes you feel comfortable and that you know you can handle. Wait, I just don't feel like doing this right now. I'm not motivated. I don't want to do this. So how do you keep going when you don't feel like it? When that happens, try this. In the book Let Them by Mel Robbins, she talks about the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. And literally it's doing just that. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. It's a way to short circuit your hesitation and just gets you moving and just makes you go. You know what's funny? I used to do something similar like this before I even knew what that was. I would just tell myself like, oh, whatever, just go. And something in my brain kind of just like snapped out of it and I just moved. The point is stop overthinking. You don't want to think those things. You don't want to have the I don't feel like doing this right now in your mind and interrupt it and just stop it and just go. Another thing that I like to do is whenever I'm on a walk or I'm driving or when I have like little snippets of time, I like to listen to motivational podcasts. Like check out Mel Robbins. It's pretty good and it gets me motivated. Or Omar El Takori. Things like that help me get motivated to continue and push through. But the absolute most important thing that you want to do and keep in your mind is remember your why. When things feel like it's just too hard or things are going slow, and especially right now, like I feel that, and you're gonna feel that in your early days, take a step back and think about why you're doing this. Think about why you're starting your channel, or think about why you started it. Think about the light at the end of the tunnel. Maybe you want to be financially free. I know I do. Maybe you want to have more time with your family. Maybe you want to take more vacations. Maybe you want to be your own boss. Or simply you want to share your years of experience or knowledge so that you can make an impact. Whatever that reason is, whatever your reason is, hold on to that. What's my reason? My reason is just that. I want to create freedom. I want to make an impact, and I want to spend more time with my family and be my own boss. Your why is what's going to keep you going when your views are low, when your sub count is low. Mine's at 21. But I'm excited to push through. Also, when the growth feels invisible, like you're the only one, it gives you the energy and focus to keep showing up, to keep learning, to keep improving. Every video you create, every skill that you practice, and every mistake that you learn from, it's all moving you closer to your goal. So let your why be the push that keeps you moving forward, even if the journey feels really slow. So don't quit. Keep showing up. Trust that process. Let your channel grow with you. Subscribe if you're ready to keep learning, keep improving, and having our YouTube channels grow together. By the way, I'm also going to link my YouTube starter checklist for busy parents and busy adults like you and me who are ready to start their journey and their channels and just need quick guidance to get your first video up. If you didn't get a chance to look at my video on what nearly stopped me from starting YouTube, check that out right here.